I hesitated, to be honest, because keeping it original has its charms. But the long back is a bit out of proportion, and I think the end result will be nicer with a shorter back. So I did the infamous tail chop. To make everything neat, I'm going to install a new license plate holder, rear light and indicators. Before I finally connect the wiring, I first check its operation. Then I connected the wires together using these handy solder connectors and heat shrink tubes. These are strong and waterproof. Because the original indicators are replaced by LED, they flash at a too high a frequency. Resistors offer a solution for this. You need one for each side, so 2 in total when you are replace 4 indicators. I think it's a nice change. It gives the bike a more modern and cleaner look. I'd really like to hear what you think, so feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.